有一天，我问爸爸：“我可以纹身吗？”爸爸告诉我：“你想清楚，纹身后你会变矮。”我很害怕，我说：“怎么会这样？”爸爸说：“当然会啦，纹身后我会打断你的腿。”
还这个好吗？
还行吧。
Of course, parents won't do it, but they actually say this a lot to threaten their children. I guess they have watched too many gangster movies. Today, I will tell a story of a character, Duan. Okay, broken. Before I start, let's learn two new characters. 爸爸 or daddy. It is consists of two parts. Upper part is a character of father, and the lower part suggests the sound 爸. Here is one more word. A father plus a weight unit in China. Approximately half a kilogram, but they together make the character of an axe. The weapon. Alright, this is an axe. You know, in the old time, it is usually the father who uses an axe because it's very heavy, lots of weight. So the story of Duan, broken, it's about a poor old farmer who has worked really hard to grow rice, but only can sell them to the rice merchant in very low price. One day, the farmer couldn't bear the fact that his son is starving and dying. He sneaked into the rice merchant's home. He used his axe to cut open the lock and stole a basket of rice. He's a character of rice in a basket. Unfortunately, the rice merchant's servants saw him and they were chasing after him. The farmer ran and ran with loads of rice and the heavy axe on his back. Suddenly, his axe accidentally broke the basket. The rice fell on the ground. At the same time, the servants were getting really close to catch him. So he had no choice but to run away without the rice and the axe. He got away, but his son died that night. So you see, the word broken here is now only with a broken basket with rice in it and an axe without a father. The end.